Every day is a new set of challenge. Whatever your age may be or business, the problems we face are every moment. Hi, my name is Humera Shah and I work for a shipping company. In this foundation course, we got to learn a lot of things. Like one, the programming your mind is an art and it can be learned at any time. Number two, breath awareness. Breath awareness helps you to remove the impurities from your life. Number three, you can upgrade at any time just by asking three questions to yourself. One, what are your thoughts? Number two, what attitude do you carry? And number three is, what are your self-beliefs? In this whole session, what I love is all about self-awareness. This is a topic which is very close to my heart and has helped me to work on it. Thanks.